Can you drive me?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you drive me?
Yes, I can drive.
What's the date today?
Today is April 10th.
What's the date today?
Today is April 10th.
Are you feeling better?
Much better, thank you.
Are you feeling better?
Much better, thank you.
Who wrote this book?
It was written by Rowling.
Who wrote this book?
It was written by Rowling.
Where are my keys?
Keys are in drawer.
Where are my keys?
Keys are in drawer.
How does this work?
Press this button here.
How does this work?
Press this button here.
Who cooked this meal?
Mom cooked this meal.
Who cooked this meal?
Mom cooked this meal.
Is this your pen?
Yes, this is mine.
Is this your pen?
Yes, this is mine.
Why are you leaving?
I'm meeting a friend.
Why are you leaving?
I'm meeting a friend.
Where's your house?
My house is nearby.
Where's your house?
My house is nearby.